In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from PenFed. If you need a new set of checks for your checking account or your money market savings account, PenFed lets you handle that online in just a few steps. One important thing to know before you begin is that this process needs to be done through PenFed Online in a web browser. You cannot order checks using the PenFed mobile app, so make sure you're on the website before getting started. First, go to PenFed Online. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. After you've signed in, take a moment to locate the account you want to order checks for. This is important if you have more than one eligible account because you'll want to make sure you're placing the order for the correct one. When you find the right account, click More. This opens additional account options that aren't visible in the main account view. From there, scroll down until you see the Account Management section. Under that section, click Order Check. This will start the check ordering process for that specific account. At this point, PenFed will display a pop-up window. Click Continue to move forward. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts provided by the system. PenFed routes the check order through a third-party provider, so you may be guided to a connected ordering interface to complete the rest of the process. As you go through the prompts, review the details carefully. Make sure the account information and mailing details shown are correct before finalizing anything. Depending on what's available, you may also have the option to order extra items such as checkbook covers or check registers along with your checks. If you need those accessories, you can add them during the same process. Take your time as you move through each screen, especially when confirming your order. It's always a good idea to double check the quantities, style selections, and shipping information so everything arrives the way you expect. And that's really all there is to it. To order checks from PenFed, go to PenFed Online. Log in, select your account, click More, head to Account Management, choose Order Check, then click Continue and complete the prompts through the third-party provider. If you follow those steps carefully, you should have your check order submitted in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.